Planning a quick getaway to Paris? Here's how to make the most of your short trip to the City of Lights. Start your day with a classic Parisian breakfast at a local cafe. Then, head straight to the iconic Eiffel Tower. Go early to beat the crowds and take in the stunning views. Next, visit the Louvre. Even with limited time, don't miss the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Pro tip: get skip-the-line tickets online. In the evening, take a romantic Seine River cruise. Watch Paris light up as you glide past landmarks like Notre Dame and the Musée d'Orsay. Day 2, explore Montmartre. Wander through its artistic streets, visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Finish your trip with a stroll down the Champs-Élysées. End at the Arc de Triomphe for one last glimpse of Paris from above. 2 days in Paris might be short, but it's enough to capture the magic. Ready to pack your bags? Drop a comment and let us know your favorite Paris spot. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips.